I want to talk to you today about a really cool application or website for your Pinterest account. If you don't have a Pinterest account or you don't really know what to do with your Pinterest account or how to get some of the cool features on your Pinterest account, make sure to click the link below and watch the series that I've done. It's called 30 Days of Pinterest, where in 1 month I take you through step by step by step on how to use Pinterest, how to use some of the features, and it's just a really good beginner's guide to Pinterest. And if you want to use Tailwind, you can get a free month by clicking the link below. There you can schedule pins automatically, and I'll show you how I use that in a future video. But I just wanted to give you that little tidbit because having these things will be helpful for things I do in the future of the series. So definitely watch the series, the 30 Days of Pinterest, get on Tailwind. They're going to be a wonderful pair. You're going to love it. You don't have to pay for Tailwind. It is free for the first 100 pins, and that'll be plenty that you'll need for your collection launch. So definitely check it out. I'm excited for you to get growing on Pinterest. Let's go.